Hi everyone, I'm Suman from Amrita School of Engineering, Bangalore campus, and I'm from electronics and communication background. I have completed my BTech in 2021. Right now, I got placed in L&T Technology Services as an associate engineer trainee. While I was in BTech, I was not confident about myself, so I kept searching for other options which helped me improve my confidence and my personality. I've searched a lot of options. All the options were they were asking me to come there, and the fees was also very high, so I couldn't afford all those things. And once at a moment. Career Labs team came to our campus and took a seminar in the college, and then that is how I got to know about Career Labs or Byju's. So then I liked the offer they have given to me, and then that is the reason I chose Career Labs. So the program started with a few basic self-assessment assessments, so that they will know a lot about myself. Unlike others, take me and gave me some courses to learn. They kept a few tests. Among them, what they were asking about my interest. So what are the fields I'm interested in? For example, I'm interested in embedded systems. So at that point, they asked few more questions like what is the area you are interested in? Like if I give you this type of courses, will you be interested to take them? So these are the questions they asked. So then yeah, they were very good, and also they have put some aptitude and verbal tests for me to know my ability or capability in those areas. So, and after that, they have sent a report to the people like my mentor or someone to assess me and assign me the courses which will be a lot helpful and which helps me improve my profile. Yeah, so my mentor was Kritika ma'am. So she used to call me often, like to know my status and how am I feeling about the courses and all. So she asked me like how did the courses start and what are the challenges I'm facing, like are the courses helpful. She asked me like if you want to change the courses or not. So this type of questions she asked, and then she also encouraged me to not to worry about my future and all. She just told that just do the courses that are offered by Career Labs, and then you'll be fine. And she encouraged me a bit, so I got a boost up, and I could do the courses with much more enthusiasm and willpower. Yeah, I was not sure about what type of domain I am interested in. So then Career Lab sent me starter pack courses, which were just basics or introduction of the courses. They are embedded systems, Verilog design, and C++, Java, data structure, and one more thing, web development. So these are the six starter packs they have sent to me, and then I have gone through all the starter packs. They were just like I could complete them in 2 to 3 weeks. They were not very lengthy courses. They were just basics, and then yeah, they helped me a lot. When I went through all the courses, I found that I am bit interested in web development and also interested in embedded systems. My thinking was narrowed down to these two courses. This is how the starter packs helped me a lot. So after the starter pack courses, so Career Labs offered me two advanced courses. One is on VLSI design and one is Python. So as I said, I was interested in embedded systems from starter pack, right? So I took VLSI as my advanced course, and then my mentor was, I remember her name as Vaishnavi. So I think it was for 30 days. I don't remember properly. It was for 30 days course, advanced course. So she explained all the basics of Verilog, like, which are useful for VLSI design, and then we she asked us to do few assignments like blowing an LED and like working on operators. So to understand or to get more comfortable with Verilog and VLSI design, I explained me the latest technologies in VLSI industry and some good companies to get into and how to prepare and what are the basics required to get into VLSI industry and all. And then we have done a small project using the NAND gates and an IC, which is virtual only. We couldn't do it offline. So and then we have also got a certificate after the our project was submitted to them. And yeah, we have learned a lot from the VLSI design course. So like most of the things they explained were not explained in our college, in our university. So there were a lot of practical things we have done, and we have known few new softwares from the course, and then we know how to work on them. And this is pretty much about the advanced course. There is a profile building process is step by step process. So after doing advanced course, we came into the placement phase, so where they have conducted a lot of webinars, weekly webinars on how to crack interviews, how to crack the initial aptitude or logical reasoning tests, how to crack vocabulary tests and all, and how to perform in group discussions or resume writing. So I don't remember the mentors' names, but yeah, I was worried about my aptitude skills. So whenever my college gives a test, like arranges a test, I always used to fail in that. So I was, because I know how to do, but I don't know how to complete the test in the limited time. In that, so the Labs team helped us. Like they conducted webinars. They took previous year placement papers, and then they have shared the screen, and they said how to solve all these questions in that very particular time. They have also explained all the shortcuts and to crack the questions and answer it in the limited time. So yeah, I can say that aptitude course helped me, like not the course, the webinars helped me a lot, and also this resume preparation. I have no idea at all how to write it, how to prepare my resume, and how to submit it for the company. After getting into Career Labs, I got a clear idea how to design my resume so that the HR will not reject my resume. So that is one. Another one is I remember one person named Sai Kiran. He used to tell us take vocabulary webinars. So they were really helpful. He explained how to deal with the passage questions. So we need not read the whole passage. So there is some trick which is explained by Sai Kiran, which really helped me in my exams, in my placement exams. Yeah. So once I faced a challenge in getting the toolkit and embedded system course. So I mailed them, Three Labs team. So they didn't respond very quickly because they might be getting a lot of mails. So I got a response after one day. So they said that the toolkit might take a bit longer time because they have to ship it, and they have to send it to us through post. So okay, I said yeah, that's fine. And then after exactly one day, they have sent me the whole toolkit. Another challenge was in advanced courses. So, like mentor, she gave me her personal number itself. So we used to, whatever doubts we had, we used to discuss with her in WhatsApp itself. To all the juniors who are trying to get placed in companies, one thing I want to advise to everyone: the first main you have to get placed in companies is you have to have confidence. So just don't worry that you can't get placed, because companies, they require a lot of people to work. They are recruiting people every year in a huge amount. So don't worry that you will not be selected or you will not be asked to come into that company. Only thing is you have to be confident on what you have done and what are you answering. And if you are not able to speak English properly, that doesn't mean that they will not select you. They don't expect you have lot of very good communication skills. Even after getting placed in the companies, they will give you training on that. You should not worry. Just concentrate on the basics of what you have learned in your BTech life, and then aptitude skills are evergreen. You should remember them. You should have those skills. So keep practicing from today. You just keep practicing them, and if Career Labs provides some videos, just blindly follow those videos as I did. So they really help a lot. And yeah, so keep these things in mind. Don't worry too much about your placement and all. Just be calm and confident. Now coming to the final part of my profile building part. So this is placement. I got placed in L&T Technology Services. So there were actually three rounds. So the first round is paper test, and the second one is a technical interview, and the third round is HR interview. So in the first round, the different parts are aptitude, logical reasoning, and two coding questions, yeah, and vocabulary. So these are the four parts. And then aptitude questions were very similar. Like I could answer them very fast with the help of the courses that I have taken in Career Labs. Yeah, I can tell it for sure, 100% confident. And then after that, I have also cleared the vocabulary round with ease. So I didn't face any difficulty in that after taking this Career Labs course. And then logical reasoning was also fine. And coding round, the questions were very simple, so I could answer them. And then the technical round. So in the technical round, the interviewer asked me about what are the projects I've done, and what are the labs we had in my academics. So how did I perform in that? So yeah, everything was very. I could answer them with confidence. So there is not any much problem in that, except initially I was nervous to, because that is my first interview actually, and I got selected in that. And then after that I had an HR interview. In that he asked me about my personal life, and like my daily habits and all. So I could answer very confidently that even that round. And yeah, and in the night I got the mail that I got selected, and offer letter will be given soon. So I was very happy after seeing that mail, and yeah, I couldn't sleep that night with that happiness.